Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with Beeworlds, guys. It's a really new one. They will have the first sale soon. So I just wanted to show you this. It's on Wax blockchain, guys, and it's an NFT-based real-time strategy game where players can act like cyborg bees. We can see four different types of bees here in the game. We need to fight to produce more honey. Honey is also their token and not be exiled from the hives, and do various professions such as cooking, repairing, mining, etc. And what can you do in Beeworlds, guys? You can start the game by choosing in any of the Musin, Bela, Melona tiers of Rabi nations inspired by the Mayan, Norse, Roman, and Egyptian mythologies. These all types are inspired by the different mythologies. You can have one or more of the worker, drone, or queen bees and start producing honey token. According to the bee power you have, you can determine the most efficient hive for you and try to protect your place in the hive. Guys, it's not all about bee power. In this honey production race, you can get ahead of bees with much more bee power than you by being strategic. So it's really important to go with the strategies, and it's not just a click and earn game, guys. There are hives and different nations. In weekly bee war events, you can get your nation a chance to rank up to the top and earn rewards like honey production bonus and NFT drops. You can exile other nations as bees and try to sabotage the honey they earn to make sure your nation will earn this rewards. Is like some tricks in the game. They will manipulate the opponents, and it's something like war, we can say. If you're tired of strategies and battles, we have an option for you too. You can own our hive and guardian NFTs and receive a share of honeys produced in your territory. Guys, if you don't feel that you have produced enough honey, you can try your luck with the weekly renew lucky bee pack or the monthly renew bee pod. You can get the chance to win thousands of honey and bee packs, NFTs that can only be obtained from these events. You can even have a hive if you're lucky, they say. Guys, the game has really different options. You can go with battles, strategies, or you can only own their hive or guided NFTs. It gives you lots of things to do, and it gives you the freedom. I really like that one. And continents such as Tikal, Nilfium, Volcano, and Purbit are the center of honey production, and the commercial hub in the main continent is also a center of the trade. May choose to work in the buildings and the commercial hub, be a chef to produce food for bees vary from honey production. We can understand that it goes like a real honey, real bees world. And guys, the origin of the story actually is really interesting. It impressed me a lot. It was speaking for more than it was on everyone's tongue, and everyone wanted measures to be taken, but no one took a step, large and small. While Mother Nature was dying in screams, tens of thousands of plants and hundreds of thousands of animal species were disappearing. Wow. For decades, brilliant minds have been trying to prevent the apocalypse brought about by the climate, but his efforts were not enough. It was now accepted that it was unavoidable. There was only one issue that the leading scientists of the time were interested in. They were looking for ways to escape from this planet that once impressed people with its immense beauty and now feels happy to avenge what has been done to it for centuries. From the story, we can understand the origin of the game. Why did they prepare a game like that, and the journey? There was hope. Malicious was the only possibility they had. The cyber bees, which they created to restore the ecological balance disturbed by the extinction of bee species years ago, were today their only hope for the continuation of the human race. Wow. Okay, the story is really detailed, and I don't want to keep this too long. They had now succeed perfecting the honey. They used it for everything from using as a fool. It was the end of the world, and then they came out with the honey Now they're using the honey for everything. There were cyborgs, cyborg bees, and the bee people were not content with just their plans. They settled in the entire star system. However, they still could not find a planet suitable for the mission they set out to complete. Even with cracked voices within them, they continued exploring and spreading throughout the universe. And it goes like that. If you're interested, I definitely recommend you to come and check this. All the links can be found in the description part below the video. The cyborg bees with the melanoma activated, located on the continent of Volcano. This one is for Volcano, Nilfheim, Tears of Ra, and Ahmusen. I'm not sure if I pronounced them correctly, but the origin story is also here. And what can you do in Beeworlds, guys? You can start the game by choosing any of the nations and work for the progress of your nation. You can have one or more of the workers. I already told you that. And when we check the roadmap, we can see phase 4 will be coming soon, and lots of things will be coming. Release of mainland, integration of Beaver, ID pixel, release of commercial hub, buildings integration, integration of the job system, mobile integration. Oh, there will be mobile version also. DAO token sale, DAO integration. So just stay tuned. Definitely go and join their Discord. And guys, as you know, this is on the Vax blockchain, and Vax projects always has potential. Maybe you only got this one investor NFT, guys, and then it might just fly. We will be able to buy this investor NFT on Atomic Hub. Of course, this is a marketplace for Vax, and the investor NFT, guys, the passport will be coming soon, and packs, bees, hives, and gardens, they all will be coming soon. It's gonna be a really nice and huge project. I can feel that, and my feelings are really strong. The team is working really hard. They have also the Medium page. They share nice articles here about the project, what is Beeworlds, their first sale, the investor NFT. It's really important. Guys, as an owner of investor NFT, you can get 1 hour early access to the sales of NFTs, which will be sold in very small numbers and will be the important part of the game, such as Garden, where you can get a fee from the honeys produced in your own region, and access to dozens of professions in the trading hub without the need to purchase any other NFTs. You can earn honey weekly and get a chance to win a bee pack. You can have a chance to win Hive NFT, one of our most valuable monthly NFTs. The first sale is really important, and I hope it will make everyone happy. And also, this is really important, guys. They started a really big giveaway. They are giving away 400 USD and lots of NFTs. It is also an invite contest on their Discord. So if you invite friends on their community, you can earn a lot. Please don't forget to check this one. Leave the Give Lab link in the description. Join their Discord, drop your address, retweet tweets, visit Medium. They say it's ending in 1 day. Definitely go give it a shot. You may be the winner, of course. Why not? Token, guys, the honey token, the symbol and the total amount is 5 billion. The token distribution, we can see the 61% goes to the reward pool and 5% for marketing. Seed sale to prizes 5, and team gets the 25%. Private sale is 2%, and withdrawal, guys, honeys can be withdrawn once in 24 hours with 70% commission. It will decrease by 5% after every 24 hours, and at the end of 14 days, commission will be zero. Earnings from early withdrawal commissions are distributed daily to holders who have been staking for more than 14 hours, and deposits are always free, which is really amazing. They also show the staking and staking rewards. They will be coming soon. You need to wait a little because I already told you it's really new one, guys. But I really like the concept of the game, this and the story behind it. It was really sad. I wish them a good luck and want to see your comments below the video. What do you think about the project? Don't forget to share with me, guys. And you can participate the sale and definitely participate the giveaway. It was all about the Beeworlds for now. I hope it will be out there for a long time. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments, and of course on their Discord you can ask them. I'm sure they will be really happy to have you there, guys, and will help you. Thanks for watching this. I hope you liked that one. See you in a new video.